Did you know these historical YouTube Shorts videos have recently been getting millions of views? That's because these videos are extremely engaging. And the fun part is, creating them isn't difficult at all. In this video, I'll show you step by step how you can create such viral historical videos. So, to create these videos, we need to follow a few processes. 1. Generate a prompt for the video. 2. Generate the video. Here, I'll show you two methods of generating videos. 1. Creating a video from a prompt. 2. Creating a video using only a title. And finally, step 3 will be editing the video. So without further delay, let's get started. Welcome to Finance, your go-to guide for making money online. If you're new here, be sure to hit subscribe and ring the notification bell so you'll always be the first to get life-changing financial tips. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with others who are ready to boost their income. This is Finance, your journey to online success starts right here. So, our step 1 was prompt generation. For that, we'll first go to ChatGPT. Search for, give me some script about World War II for making historical shorts video. As you can see, ChatGPT has written some prompts for us. We'll copy them, paste them into Notepad, and customize them as needed. Here's the final customized prompt. This is how it looks now. Next, we need to create the video. As I mentioned earlier, there are two ways to create the video. 1. From the prompt. 2. Using only a title. Let's start by seeing how to create a video from a prompt. For this, go to your browser and search for InVideo.ai. Click on the first website that appears. To create an account, click on Sign Up. You'll see it takes us directly to the homepage, because I've used their product before. If you've also used it before, it'll take you there automatically. If not, use your Gmail or Facebook to sign up by providing the necessary details. Right now, we're using the free version, but you can switch to the paid version if you want. At the beginning, they'll show the annual package, but you can also check out the monthly package. For now, we're not purchasing any package, we'll create a free video. Click back to return to the homepage. Now, paste the prompt we got from ChatGPT into the prompt box. You can paste a prompt with up to 32,000 characters. In our case, it's only 538 characters. Now we'll generate the video. Click on Generate a Video. As you can see, the video is now processing. Once it's complete, we'll continue from there. So, the processing is done. Now a new page will appear here. It will show some information that we need to select properly. At the top, you'll see Generative Media. If you want to create a video from this section, you'll need the paid version. Since we're creating a free video, we'll go back from here and click on Stock Media. Next, we'll select the duration. The minimum available is 2 minutes. Since we can upload 2-minute shorts, we'll select 2 minutes. However, you can also create 1-minute shorts if you want. I'll show that later, so make sure to watch till the end. You can also use a longer prompt to make a 10-minute video. In the paid version, you can create even longer ones. I'm selecting 2 minutes here. In the audience section, I'll choose History Buffs, since we're making a historical video. For platform, select YouTube Shorts. If you're creating a long video, you could choose YouTube, and for Facebook posts, select Facebook. Click on Continue. Now the video will start processing. Once processing is complete, the video is ready. Let's play the video.
Why do 0.1% of soldiers refuse to carry a weapon? Meet Desmond Doss, the unarmed hero of Okinawa. Desmond Doss wasn't just a soldier, he was a man of faith. During the Battle of Okinawa, while bullets flew and explosions roared, Doss made a choice.
It looks pretty good. If you want, you can now edit it as you like. Click on the Edit option. From here, you can click on any footage you want to change. You can replace it with any file from your device by selecting Upload Media, or choose from Stock Media to replace it with free stock footage. You can also use Generative Media, but that requires the paid version, so we'll skip that. Now it's time to download the video. Click on the Download option, and you'll see a few settings. First is the watermark type. To remove the watermark completely, you'd need the paid version. So, we'll select Stock Watermark. Now you might ask, how can I remove this watermark? We'll discuss that in the editing section, so make sure to watch the full video. From the InVideo.ai branding section, select Normal. From Resolution, choose 1080p. Click Continue. As you can see, the video has started downloading. Once downloaded, we'll move to the next process, creating a video using only the title. Below the prompt box, you'll see Create Short Video. Click there. First, you'll see Voice Speed, choose Fast Paced. Then, enter your title in the box below. Since we're making a free video, select only Stock Media. If you select either of the other two options, you'll need the paid version. Later in the video, I'll also show how to create videos using the paid version, so keep watching. For background music, select a historical track. Language will be set to English by default. Choose the language you want, there are many available. In subtitles, choose any style you like. In voice actors, select male, and choose one of the available voices. I'm selecting this one. In watermark text, put your channel's name, I've added mine. We'll leave the default watermark settings as is. Click Continue, and a summary will appear. Click Continue again to start processing. Once the process is complete, you'll see a similar page as before. This time, it'll show stock video selected. That's because we chose only stock media. If you switch to generative media, you'll need the paid version, but since we're creating free videos, we'll stick to stock media. Here, you'll find durations of 15 seconds, 30 seconds, and 1 minute. I'll select 1 minute. In the audience section, choose History Buffs. For platform, select YouTube Shorts. Now, you can edit the video if you want. I'm skipping that part. Click Continue to generate the video. The video is now processing. Once processing is complete, the video is ready. Let's play and check it.
I bet you didn't know a hero could save 75 lives without firing a single shot. This is the...
You can edit it if needed, as I've already shown. The download process was also explained earlier. Now, I'll show you how to create a video using the paid version. Click on Create a Shorts video again. Everything will remain the same as before, but instead of selecting only stock media, choose only generated clips or only generated image. I'm selecting only generated clips here. After everything is set, click Continue. The video will begin processing, and generative media will appear. From here, choose Visual Style, Realistic. Select 1 minute for duration. Choose YouTube Shorts as the platform. Click Continue, and a package selection page will appear. This is because we don't have a paid package. But if you do have the paid version, the video will be processed and beautifully generated. Now, when we downloaded the video earlier, it still had a watermark. So how do we remove the watermark? To remove the watermark, we'll need to edit the video. Let me show you how. Go to Canva. Click on Video, then select TikTok video from the social media section, because that matches the YouTube Shorts size. Now we'll bring the video into Canva. Click on Upload, then Upload Files, and select your video. Once the upload is complete, click on the video to bring it to the editor page. Play the video, you'll notice the watermark appears at the top and bottom. We need to crop that out. Double-click on the video, and select the short size. Crop the areas that contain the watermark. Now position the video nicely within the frame. When you play it now, you'll see that the watermark is gone. To download it, click Share, then Download, and the video will download. And there you go, in a short time, using just one tool, we've easily created a historical shorts video. You can also create your videos using the method I've shown. You'll find the link in the description. That's it for today's video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on all notifications so you get all updates on online earning related content before anyone else. Thank you so much for watching the video patiently until the end. See you in the next video. Until then, stay well and take care.